Alright, just a fun short order unboxing. Should be a few items. Alright, 3 items. Ergowear, took the risk again, and Picante, always the wild stuff. So let's start with the Jor. Just missed election day by 1 day. Still going on though. Hilarious. So American flag, Jor, very vibrant. I had seen this before, and I had these odd things where I didn't get it because I like all the back would look like a candy cane rather than the mixed flag again. So I passed on it, but I got it. See how it fits. Got a large, always kind of in between sizes. Very soft feeling. Not sure I have the same cut with this style of fabric. So it's a large. It is 96% polyester, 4% elastane, made in Colombia. So try that out. Normal pouch. Okay, now took the risk on this one again. And probably should have rethought things. It's an Ergowear, it's blue. Big pouch, good pouch. Large, and I think I probably did it again where I should have downsized. Got the medium. But it's I do like the blue, it's stretchy. T-back thong. The X4D thong royal blue. Ergowear. Feels great inside. Feel great inside. Inside what? Large, made in Chile. 89% polymade and 11% elastane. Okay. And Picante is always the wild one here. So get that. It is a thong with these side straps. So Picante adrenaline thong, black, large. The pouch, stretchy pouch. Got the logo up front. Stretchy mesh band. The thong back. Stretchy sides. And the leg straps. So that's going to be a wild one. So what do you think? 3 items. All pretty unique. I really like the thongs. And which is your favorite? Let me know. I'll try to try them on here. As many of you know, I can't really fully do that on YouTube. So if you'd like to see them modeled, try them on. Do check out my OnlyFans page where you'll see me try them on. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. I have many of you that watch but aren't all subscribers. It really helps me out. Helps keep the channel going if you can like and subscribe. So thank you.